How to change name in Google Map. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the name in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to suggest an edit or maybe try to change the name of a certain place on Google Maps, first of all you just have to search for that place and then tap on that place. When you open up the description of that page, you'll find many sort of options where you just have to look for the edit button. Now it doesn't matter whether you have owned that place or not, you can just tap the edit button and you'll see it says suggest and edit. So tap on suggest and edit option, and here you can see change name or other details. So tap on change name or other details option. After that, all you have to do is simply make sure to suggest a new name and then tap on submit, and Google Map is going to verify that and then they will successfully change the name for you. This way you can change name in Google Map. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.